Sandali marketing, to each and every one of you, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Every day is possible because of all of you. And let's not stop growing. Let's continue to be unstoppable and to continue having that heart of a champion. Thank you very much. Happy 14th anniversary. Thank you, everyone.
Hola! Mare, happy 14 years! Congratulations! You are the best!
Happy 14th anniversary, Santa Lucia Marketing.
Together, we remain unstoppable champions for life.
Wishing you more success from all of us here at Santa Lucia Land of Inspire.
Happy 14th year anniversary to Santa Lucia Marketing. More power to the champions. Kapamilya.
Hello Santa Lucia Ventures, happy 14th year anniversary. And wish ko lang is syempre more sales, more power, and continuous excitement sa ginagawa ng bawat isa sa atin.
Congratulations for your 14th year of Santa Lucia Marketing. Getting for 15 years next year. Congratulations.